Wow, this is how we check for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Indeed, I'm going to show you how you can go inside to your BIOS, change your bootloader option to install Windows 11, Windows 10 to your MSI Bravo 17-inch notebook. Here we go, we have to see the key. Here we have power button and the principal key, in this case Del key. In keyboard, this is the Del here. In 15-inch could be here, so you have to find Del key. So let's hit the power button. Here we go, and hit Del key continuously as I'm doing. So we are in the BIOS now. How we can change to bootloader? At the top we have different options. You can see here we have main, we have advanced, we have boot, we have security option. So here we have third option, boot. With the arrow key of your keyboard you can come to boot option. In boot, in second part, second row, we have bootloader option, boot option 1, bootloader option 2. So with arrow key you go down and you have to hit enter. In this screen you see USB CD is the first one, hard drive, Windows Boot Manager the second one. So what we need our USB drive. In this I have Windows 11 inside this USB drive or pen drive. So you have to download and put in this. If you don't know how to do that, check video description. I will inject this one in one of the place of USB. Here we go. So USB hard drive I select as the main drive. So USB hard drive as a main drive I put as a main boot option. I have to hit F10. I hit yes on this case. We have to wait to see if it's loading from Windows or not. Let's see. Now you see Windows option. It's loading. And here we go. So this is the way you can change bootloading option to install Windows in your MSI Bravo 17-inch notebook. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.